Hi, welcome to the program. Today I am going to make an ice cream, homemade, a sugar-free ice cream, and I'm with bananas and strawberry, and I'm add some twist to it, some rose water and lemon zest. So easy, straightforward. You need the blender, a couple teaspoons, and you need this to scrape the lemon zest. 600 ml of double cream, a 600 ml of milk, candle sugar you put 4, two bananas, 3 bananas, and strawberries, vanilla, 2 tablespoons vanilla, rose water 1, and we're gonna need lemon zest. Put everything in the blender and you give it a good mix. Go. You blend it to 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a good mix. Sugar-free ice cream with rose water and lemon. Banana and strawberries. Okay, that looks ready. You put it in a plastic container. Close nicely. And you put it in the freezer overnight. I'll tell you the recipe. A 600 ml of double cream, 600 ml of full fat milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 of rose water, 1 lemon zest, and 4 of candied sugar, 3 strawberries, and a handful of 2 bananas and a handful of strawberries. You put it overnight in the freezer. Thank you. The ice cream is just been chilled overnight in the freezer. I'm going to use hot water, and I'm going to use this to scoop the ice cream. If you haven't got this one, use just a tablespoon. Give you a little bit tip here. When it comes, when you take it out of the freezer, leave it at least 10 to 15 minutes, because mine I didn't. So and don't forget, this ice cream, it has not got sugar. Here we go. Homemade ice cream. Here's the ice cream, a little touch with 1 strawberries, and this ice cream is sugar free. So the ingredients is use 600 ml of double cream, 600 ml of full fat milk, 4 soup spoons of candied sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of rose water, and the lemon zest, 1 lemon, and 3 bananas and a handful of strawberries. Basically put everything in the blender, give it a good whisk, put it in the tub, set it overnight in the freezer. Easy to make and is delicious. Sugar free ice cream, easy to make. Thank you.